Good afternoon, everyone. This is Heather with um, Heather's Crochet Pleasure. Oops, I'm knocking stuff over already this morning. This is just going to be a quick video on how to chain, or how to make your slip knot and how to chain. Just a little quick how-to. So you pick whatever yarn you want. I'm just picking a classic white, and for my tutorial I am using a 5mm hook, and let's get started. So for me to make a slip knot, the easiest way I have learned is you leave a little tail there, you wrap, go around and wrap one more time, you pull the back to the front, and then take the back one from there and pull to the front, and there's your slip knot. Just that simple. Put your hook in and tighten it. Okay, hopefully you guys can see this well. Alrighty, so in order to make a chain, which you have to learn how to do this, everybody has to learn how to chain. It's the main step in crochet. So what you do, and you'll figure out your tension and how you hold your hook, you know, that stuff you have to learn on your own. I hold mine like a knife, as they say. Some people can hold it like this. I can't do that. And you'll figure it out. You'll have to figure out if you're a tight crocheter or a loose crocheter. I think I'm about medium. I'm not too tight and not too loose. So I always just wrap my finger to keep my tension. And then from here on out, you just yarn over and pull through the loop. 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 Yarn over and pull through. 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 And then you see what you have here. You have, some people call them little V's. These are just your little chains. That's what you're going to eventually learn how to work into. And this is how you count them. This right here is never a stitch. What's on your hook? You start right here. So you would count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 down here. And then if you think that you made a mistake, you just pull your hook out and you figure out, okay, so you maybe think you messed up on this one right here, so you just pull, 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 and pull. And then you put your hook back in, and then you wrap and pull through. Wrap and pull through. Wrap and pull through. Wrap and pull through. Very simple, huh? Well, I hope you liked today's tutorial. It's pretty simple. You just, to get the hang of it, you do lots of practice. I'll show you one more time. You just wrap and pull through. Wrap and pull through. Wrap and pull through. And that's all you have to do. That's just a chain. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. My next video will be how to do the single crochet. So I will be putting that out very soon. So happy hooking, and I hope you learn this chaining pretty quickly. It's fairly easy. So look forward to my next tutorial, which will be out very soon. And everyone have a great and wonderful day.